Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be unboxing this in another video, but we have reached our 1200 subscriber mark. I am so excited. Today I am reviewing the Astro A40s. I got these as a birthday gift. Thank you to my good friend Nerd. Okay, I'll leave her Twitch stuff down below. But yes, so yeah, I know I love me some Astros. I've had my Call of Duty variant one for about 3 years now. I think my video that I posted on this channel is like 3 years old. Maybe it's 2 years old. I don't know. But it does look run down. But here are all the specs about this headset right here for you guys. It sounds amazing. Honest to God. Alright. So you can modify this headset if you wanted to. So there's that. Also, you can use the two splitter cables if you want to use it with the PC. But because I have the snowball microphone, I don't need to use the splitter because I just use my regular mic as a mic and my headset as the sound. Okay, so I'm going to open this for you guys. The unboxing experience for this is so lovely. See, this is what I like about certain products. You spend all this freaking money and at least the unboxing can be pleasant. So like, yeah, this is awesome. I love how this box looks, like the etching on the box. It is awesome. There you go. You see me in the background thanks to the reflection. But yeah, this is an amazing box. Like, this is the back of the box. Like, honestly, I just have the box behind my monitor propping my stuff up. So as you see in the background, that's my old computer. So if you've seen any of my new PC build, you know my new PC is white. So this is how it looks. Now on Amazon, it said black and red. And in the picture, it looked like navy and red. So I don't know where they got the black from. But this is the wire that you use to plug into your PC. So one is for the mic and one is for the audio. And then you plug the aux cable straight from your headset into that. So that's how you use that for the back of your PC. But I'm not going to use that, as I said previously. So this is the wire that goes straight into the headphones. So it has a little mic switch here. Now that's the one thing I do miss about the Astro A10s. I had the volume rocker and the headset muted when you flip the mic up. But I mean, you know, this is a neat option. You can just mute it here and there. Also, something to point out, you do not need the splitter for all devices. I believe you only need it for PC, because when I plug my headphone into a Mac and then I put it on mute, I was able to mute and talk through the microphone of the headset. So there's that. Now these are the headphones, lightweight compared to the A10s. Now the A10s were way heavier, but these are light and like they feel comfortable on the head. I love over the ear headsets, so that's why I got this type of headset. A lot of people get ear fatigue. I've used this for about 2 weeks now, even though my birthday technically was 2 days ago. I got it early. So this was an early birthday gift, but I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and I tell you, it's great. It's a great headset. So like I told you, this is a modified headset. You see, I just like ripped it off like a mad woman, but it is magnetized, so it's not going to break. You can take off the microphone. So if the microphone F's up, you can just swap out the microphone. So that's an awesome feature. And the other plate is also, you can interchange the other plate as well. So you can order these custom plates on, I believe, Astro's website, and you can buy them for yourself. But since the whole thing is red and navy, is really not that much, you know, like, I don't even know the word that you look at. Like, I'm over here stuttering. That not much customization you can do with these colors. But like, if you wanted to get like your gamer tag or something on the side, you can do that too. The build quality is actually really nice. You can also change the ear cups of these if you wanted to, because those are also magnetized, as you see me here trying to tear up the headphones. But no, the magnetized thing is at the top. That's the easy way. You plop it off, you take it off. And if you wanted to change your ear cups, you know, after a couple years, it gets a little wear and tear. I wish I still had my Astro A10 so I could show you guys how rough they look after 2. I don't even know how. Literally, I used them and then put them down. Like, I don't get it. But anyways, you can turn the ear cups facing you if you want to face it downwards for some reason, there's that option. But you can't like fold them up. So if you wanted to be able to fold them upwards, you cannot. I'm just going to show you over here how you can take it off the other side. Now the ear cup magnets are a little more powerful than the outside magnets. It's not by that much. You don't have to try to yank it off. But in the inside, it's this nice, I don't even like cloth material. So it's not thin. So that the sound doesn't like hurt your ears. On the A10s, the sound was, the little film was thin. So at some moments it felt like the sound was piercing through my skull. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my head. Future Ajax here. So this is how it looks on your head. You can actually turn the mic if you wanted to. I definitely need a haircut. But yeah, this is how it looks. As you guys know, I don't have the most fancy camera setup, but I'm just going to give you a quick 360 of how these headphones look. But yeah, these are basically the headphones. This is an awesome purchase. Obviously, I got it during like the Black Friday sales, so I didn't pay. I believe it's like 150 bucks. It is definitely worth 100 bucks to me. So if I would have bought it for myself, definitely would have paid for them. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below. There will be links for Amazon down below. Of course, if you use those links, those will be helpful. And I will have another video next week. Peace.